Morning everyone. Today, we are going to tackle the Module 19 about literary journalism. Journalism refers to the practice of gathering, assessing, creating, and presenting news and information to the public. It encompasses various mediums such as print, broadcast, and digital media. Literary journalism is a style of writing that combines the techniques of fiction with the factual reporting of journalism. It often involves deep research, vivid storytelling, and a focus on character and setting, aiming to provide a deeper understanding of real events and issues. Writers use narrative structure, descriptive language, and personal observation to engage readers emotionally and intellectually, often exploring themes that go beyond mere reporting. Examples include works by authors like Tom Wolfe and Joanne Didion. Long-form journalism is an in-depth style of reporting that typically exceeds 1,500 words, allowing for comprehensive exploration of a topic.
Okay, so let's proceed to the true narrative. So, true crime, according to Joyce Carol Oates, is a non-fiction category where most of the crimes investigated are murders and most of the murders have been solved. So like for example, ang true narrative TI is like kanang magaling nagpinto sa kuan jud kanang totoo nga pangyayari or factual nga information ang gibutang sa kuan gibutang or gisulat. So like for example, kuan kanang naik kanang sa Manila disgrasya. So ang ila pong isulat dito is dapat ang ilang ipang gathered nga mga information is dapat tinuod mga na siya, but nagamit sila og elements sa fiction para mas kawili-wili. Like for example, gamit sila og mga words like ang readers is maka-imagine or ang anak din natabo sa usa ka situation. Like mura ba ganing gagamit sila og mga words sa non-fiction para mas mahimong kawili-wili ang ilahang gisulat. So mao nang ang true narrative. Okay, so ang reportage. Ang reportage is a code explain that reportage by necessity demands that the writer be completely in control of fictional techniques, which means that to be a good creative reporter, you have to be a very good fiction writer. So ang reportage means like for example, naka sa usa ka certain situation nga na disgrasya. So, like, ang writer dito is gaayo dyan ni investigate or ga-observe dyan siya pag-ayo. Like, iya dyan ni pang sulat ang usay nakuhaan anang lugar ha. Like, usay nahitabo, usang orasaha. Mga, like, dapat iya dyan i-describe pag-ayo ang usa ka situation. Like, para po, mas maunawaan ng mga writers maayo ang usa ka kuan ka ng usa ka situation. Okay, so the last one is ang profile. So, one type of feature article that you can write is called profile. So, ang profile po is importante po na siya kay like para magdiha ta makabalo kung sa mga background information about sa usa ka tawo, iya usa iyang trabaho, asa siya gapuyo, usa iyang gender, usa iyang religion, ug mga anak ba mo siya like makabalo ka sa iyang mga background information din. Kana ba gani makakuan ka, like imo siyang maayo o sabot ang iyahang kan mas makatabang pud ang profile para makakuha ka og information about niya. Ang character sketch is a short narrative about a real or an imaginary person. It is less dramatic as an expository essay that anecdotes do not require the presence of plot and conflict. So ang character sketch is like mura po na siya, like, makatabang po na siya nato nga maka-understand yung kapag ayaw sa ka certain situation. Like, mura man siya o gana pa ganing mas makabalo ka. Like, for example, nakakita ka sa kababae, like, imo pa gani siyang gustadihan ang iyang, like, panloob jud ba? Like, panloob jud nga iyang emotions, mga ay nga sa iyang emotions, sa iyang na-feel. So, maunay character sketch. So, ang profile and character sketch is very important jud ni siya kay it help us to understand sa usa ka situation. Mao na siya.